RoverLand. You've just caught me in the middle of cooking tea while I'm just trying to make a bit of a wigwam, teepee hut, whatever you want to call it, out of some bamboo, so we've got somewhere to sleep tonight. I thought we'd take a trip out to over into the snow. As you know, being RoverLand, we didn't actually go directly there. We went all over the place, and but we got there eventually. Saw some snow before we went there. Saw a couple other things. Got a bit wet. Had a bit of a walk around. Didn't actually go out on a boat though. That's one thing we didn't do. We'll take canoes with us next time, but even though it did warn us not to take canoes. As a matter of interest, we're actually going to get some stickers bought up, ordered so you can actually put them on your cars. They're only available to subscribers, so if you're going to want to put a sticker on your car and show it proudly so that everyone can see that you're an avid RoverLand follower, you need to subscribe. Send us an email address with your address and we'll send you a sticker free of charge. Now you don't get much for free in these days in life anymore, so one thing I really hate is when you leave your hat on the post overnight and a cat or something comes and rips the lining out of it. So anyway, sit back and I'm going to get back to cooking my barbecue, making a little house, and I hope you enjoy this trip to our snow. See ya. So, we finally made it to Khancoban, but just exactly how did we get here? Hang on, it could be a good one. It's a bloody good one.
Okay. You seriously going to take it?
Unrivaled smoothness since 1858. Canadian Club Whiskey. It's come all the way from Canada.
Canadian? We'll keep that. Well, we'll keep it then.
It's dry on the inside. See that? It's dry.
Right, because,
oh yeah, you can feel that.
Yeah, but it's dry.
We're keeping that.
We're collecting that on the way back.
That is an awesome find.
Dad, where are we?
Mount Burrell Pine on the way to Bluff Falls. Check out those rocks up there.
Oh yes, rocks. Yes. Just stop. I want to go down here. There's something wrong down here. Oh, let's go down. Oh, look at this.
Yeah, we're going down there in a minute.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, there's a waterfall. Wow. Pretty. Walking track up there. Let's go up the walking track. What?
My limb's falling.
What?
My limb's falling.
Look out for falling limbs.
Help!
Where? Oh. Warning.
Oh no!
Please, mate.
I'm not funny.
I found that funny, yeah.
It's 700 metres.
I'm not going up there.
Let's do it. Let's go.
Yeah, she will.
Have we been 700 metres yet?
I've probably been 150.
My legs are tired. We are quite high up.
They are a bit.
Well, okay. Look nice is waterfall. Insert phone here.
Go and taste that water. Go there.
Yay!
Pure mountain water.
That's so fresh.
That tastes awesome. It's got a real water taste to it.
Good! It's so cool. It's all so pretty. This place is so cool.
How awesome is that?
It's where? Oh wow. Look at this. Wow, that's so cool.
You know what?
Here's the hill. More hill. Top of the hill that we went up. And this is where the storyteller sits. Whoa.
One up close and one back.
Where's that going? Wow, looks so good. I'm the adventurer. I do adventuring. This park's probably abandoned, but anyway, I'm going. Pokemon. This is fun. I just got stuck in a prickly bush. I got out. Haha. Baptist. I don't think this is the way that they went. Adventure Alicia. Almost gonna die. Oh my god. It attacked me. I did it. Should I keep going? Yes. Adventure Alicia. Probably gonna make a adventure Alicia. Adventure Alicia. Probably doomed.
That's what the captain does.
This is what the captain does if you think you're a captain.
That's what the captain does.
That's why I like slippery decks. Yeah! Is that what the captain does? Wait, Dad, what does this pirate say when it turns 80?
Ahoy, matey. Billy!
No, stay. Stay.
I'm by the steering wheel.
No, you're not! How'd you get up there?
Oh, dang. You got me.
Oh, Lily!
That was the best spot ever! Not talent, we got tactics!
How do you go sort that?
You saw my pom it's because of the big crack here. You saw my pom-pom, didn't you? Dang.
That ain't that pom-pom.
How did you get down there? How did you get down there? Come on! Bye! We're gonna stuff it! No, not. It's funny because you think I'm going to stuff it up and I don't. I'm on the swing! And I'm on the motorcycle!
As you can see, I finished making the hut, somewhere to stay for the night. And as you would have noticed, we didn't actually quite make it to the snow on this trip yet, but we will. So until the next episode, just remember to share our Facebook page, share our videos, like them, subscribe. Remember the sticker, don't forget the sticker. But most of all, camp on.